Charis Global, the key to intelligence.
Baby shark, baby shark, baby shark, mommy shark, run away. Safe at last, safe at last, safe at last. It's the end, it's the end.
Hi, my name is Gisela. I'm from Cikarang. I want to sing for you. This is my happy song. I like to sing it all along. I teach you the word and you can sing along. Happy, happy, happy. 大家好，我叫Kenzo. Aku suka gambar. Ada rumah, ada pohon, ada gunung, ada jalan, ada bunga, ada mobil, ada dino, dan matahari pakai kacamata. Today, I will show you the family puppet. This is a father. This is a mother. This is a brother. This is a sister. And one, I love my father. Two and two, I love my father too. Three and three, I love brother, sister. One and two and three, I love everybody. Thank you. Bye bye.
Yellow bird sitting on a hill, morning fast.
We all started like these fellow children, but time went by like a flash of lightning. We graduated and left CGS, but the memories are always in our hearts.
Hello everyone! Hi everyone! Welcome back to another part of our countdown video towards this year's open house. And if you're guys wondering who we are, please don't skip this video. And I'm pretty sure that we're going to tell you guys an interesting story about our life in CGS. So keep on watching!
My name is Celine and I am an alumni from Charis Global School. I'm 16 years old and now I'm in 11th grade. I first entered in Charis Global since I was in 7th grade in 2015 and graduate in 9th grade. So I was in Charis Global for 3 years.
My name is Marcel David and I am from the second batch of Charis Global School.
My name is Keisha Manela Kurniawan and I'm 15 years old. I'm the second batch alumni.
My favorite memories during my time in Charis Global School are our events like LDKS and our trip to Bandung with my friends and teachers as our perpisahan or farewell, because not only we had fun with our classmates but with our teachers and juniors as well, and those memories will remain forever in my heart.
The moments that were very memorable for me while I was in Charis Global School would probably be our dance practices. We would normally do this for special events that we have in Charis Global School, like our annual day or our graduation day, Chinese New Year, and even Christmas. Other than our dance practices, I really enjoy decorating our class every year. We would normally do this after we go back to school for a new grade, and this helps us boost our imagination, our creativity, and also our teamwork together with our classmates and our class teachers. Academically, the moments that I am really fond of would probably be the journey I had together with my classmates and my teachers through all the hardships that we've been through. You should really check it out, and that's just about it. Goodbye!
What came to my mind was that Charis Global is like my second home back then, because all students, all teachers, staff and friends are like my family. And also when my friend and I graduate, it was a day where we all sad and we're crying, but the memory we got were all in my heart forever, and I will never forget it.
One of the things that reminds me of CGS is when the teachers help me to boost my confidence.
So the most memorable memory I had when I was in Charis Global School is when I had my last moment, which is basically a trip with all my classmates and my homeroom teachers. It was a very fun moment. It was a very extraordinary moment. We went somewhere and spent all day and night together.
So during those 7 to 8 years I've spent my life in Charis Global School, of course I had a lot of memories that I made there. The teachers and the students are very close, which makes it feel very comfortable, and it feels like we're a family. We don't always study about mathematics or science or English, but we study about ourselves too. How to be confident, how to take responsibility, how to manage our time, how to be disciplined. And there are a lot of times too when us, the students, eat with the teachers at lunch and laugh and joke at that lunch, which makes the bond between me or the other students with the teachers closer. It affects the studying process, which makes it more comfortable. I ended up enjoying most of the times there, and that's it.
Hi everyone, I'm Fini.
And I'm Nisha.
And we are the graduates of Charis Global School. For me, Charis Global is superior.
As for me, Charis Global is different in its own way. Charis Global is unique.
I do like the environment and the activities that the school provide. How about you, Lisha?
I like how variety the activities here in CGS and how challenging the curriculum is.
CGS can really change the image of school, teachers, and friends into home and family. Don't you think so?
Absolutely. I feel that the bond of the teachers and students here in CGS are very close.
The advantages that we got, actually I got a lot because I learned a lot. But what I feel the most right now is the ability to speak in public, because through each and every activity that the school provide, indirectly built up my self-confidence. How about you?
Being in CGS helps me to manage my time even better since we are used to many tasks that we should complete and submit on time.
Oh yeah, besides that, there are one more thing that we can't even forget is when we take part in the student council, because through that activity, we learn how to take care of what we have, we learn how to be responsible of what we're doing. Is that right?
It is.
We learned a lot. So I guess that is all from both of us. Don't forget to check our school website
and check our school's Instagram page.
So stay tuned for our virtual open house. Bye bye!